So what you need to do is log into your AdSense account. I have my AdSense open, and this is the information that it will show you. This yellow information button that's here saying important, check if additional information is required, and you're gonna press where it says manage tax info. I'm just gonna press that. And then you scroll down where it says United States Tax Info. So you're gonna press where it says Add Tax Info. And then you will log in to your AdSense account. So this is the first page that you land on. To find the right tax form, please answer a few questions. First, the IRS, the US Tax Authority, requires that tax information to be reported, letters A to Z. So what type of account is it? For me, I'm an individual. I am not a business or an entity, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click individual and press next. Then it opens up, are you a citizen of the United States? No, I'm not. Next, select the form that you are based on your previously selected answers, which W-8 form is needed. So I'm gonna press the first one because this form is for individuals. So this form is mostly common used by non-US individuals and will also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. So this is what you want to choose. So the next one is for businesses. And files as US tax income return. So we want to select the first one. If you're an individual, please select the first one, W-8BEN. So that's the first one. So we're gonna start and go ahead and go to that form. Just taking a minute to load. All right, now that we're here, name of the individual, that's my name. Here, country of citizenship, South Africa. So you choose the country that you stay in, but I currently reside in South Africa. So once you select the country, then you're gonna move down and you put your tax number if you're going to be claiming for the tax treaty, like I told you, so that you get a decrease on your fees, so that it can actually be 0%, or depending on the terms that the US has with your country, then you will see what percentage you can take off. So here you put your tax number, which is going to be blurred. Thank you. I'm not trying to get stalkers. So here it says a taxpayer identifier is a tax processing number required for some tax forms for foreign TIN. Do not include any other foreign personal information, such as if you are claiming, you are required to provide the foreign TIN. So if you are claiming for the treaty so that you get a decrease on the tax, that is when you put your tax number. Then you're gonna go ahead and press next. This is the part you put your address and everything else. So here you claim the address. This is the permanent resident address, the PO box that you have. So you tick that. I'm based in South Africa. I'm gonna fill out my address. So here you tick if your mailing address is the same as your PO box address, then you say yes. Then you move ahead, you press next. So on top here, once you put on your address and everything else, it's going to show you everything else that you put on. So it says, are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? Then yes. Resident of the country claiming treaty with US, you tick yes. Country, you choose your country. In this case, it's South Africa or wherever that you are. Special rates and conditions, the income types. So you tick everything. Services, AdSense. So article, you choose the article that's there, Article 7, Paragraph 1. Depending on your country, it will give you the specific article for your country. The withholding rate is 0% reduced. So for South Africa, it's gonna be 0% reduced. As a tax resident of the country, it will give you all that information. Please read through it. Doesn't have a permanent establishment in the US. So you're just claiming that you do not stay in the US and that you will be covered. For motion picture, you can also claim that withholding rate will be 0% reduced. And then other copyright like YouTube, Google Play, just click the paragraph that they give you for your country, then you tick, and then after you complete this form, you go next. I'm just going through it fast because I've actually gone through the process before so that I could actually do this video quite quick for you. So they will give you this kind of information here. So all this information, the tax treaty, I've ticked everything that's here, and it means I'm good. So the document review, this is how your document will be regenerated. Review the 4 PDFs and confirm your information. So those are the 4 PDF forms that I actually filled out, and I confirm that I have reviewed the text generated documents to the best of my knowledge and believe they are true, correct. So you can actually go to your form and see what's there, but again, my personal information is there. I'm not going to zoom in on this form, but this is what you basically expect from the form. So you say, I confirm. After that, you're going to press next. And then from there, you just check if everything is ticked. So this form is literally just showing you everything that's there. Full legal name. Are you the person listed in the signature? Yes, I am. I'm going to put my legal name. My government name, guys. The government name. Once you are done, yes, I'm the person completing the... Yes, I'm the person listed in the signature section. I'm completing this form on my own behalf. And if someone else is completing it for you, say maybe you're not over the age of 18 and a guardian or a parent is filling in this form for you, they will take the no, I'm signing on behalf of the person listed, such as an agent or an attorney, or if you have an agent, attorney, in fact, executor, guardian, parent, or power of attorney, they will fill out this form, because not everybody that's on YouTube is over the age of 18 or 21, depending on the legal part or age of your country. Then you're gonna go press next, and then it's gonna ask you activities performed in the US. Has the individual or the entity in the text performed any activities and services for Google within the US? No, I have not. I have never been to the US. I certify that the services provided to Google or its affiliate will be performed solely outside of the US. Then you say yes. Status: are you providing tax information for a new or existing payment profile that hasn't received payment, or an existing payment profile that has previously received payment? I'm providing tax for a new... Yes, for a new one. For me, it's new. I'm still to receive payments. Submit. So if you have received payments, then you tick the other one. So once everything is done, my form is approved. Everything should be green. Its status is approved, claimed, 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 claimed. And there we go. This is how you fill in the form. It's nice and simple. I know it's daunting to read forms. If you don't understand anything, read through it. Or if you really feel like you need like an advisor or financial advisor, do get one if you feel like you don't understand what's going on. Or watch channels that advise on tax information. I've been doing that for a while to know that if you're a freelancer or a content creator here in South Africa, you actually file taxes under the freelancer form, because if you're doing this on a full-time basis, you don't have a 9-to-5 job. So this is your 9-to-5, so you count under freelancers. But I am not a tax or a financial advisor and all that stuff. I really had to do my own research to get to this point. But anyways, this is how you fill out this form, and everything will be done. It will be claimed. So now when I am doing my stuff, I receive 0% off, because I am already, paying tax in the country. So if you're not maybe part of SARS, if you're here in South Africa, maybe you can just let them take the 30% off, or you can actually do e-filing and actually submit your SARS information so that you get approved and you get a SARS tax number that you can put in. But if maybe your country does not allow you or is not part of the US treaty, then they will take 30% off your US viewership only. So my top geographies are South Africa, which is 26%, and US is like second by like a percentage, which is 25.3%. So I needed to do this, and they will won't be taking because I have claimed for the treaty. But if you don't have the treaty signed up for, then they will take 30%. So from June onwards, they will do this. So my AdSense is set up, and now you know how to set up your AdSense. Let me know what do you have viewership or you don't have, so maybe you are safe from this. Let me know if this was easy to follow, and I would definitely, if there is anything that you need help with, I will definitely put the links for you to find out if your country is part of the treaty, for you to actually watch the YouTube videos that are from the YouTube creator page, from the YouTube page themselves, them explaining how you need to do this, the importance and all that stuff. All the information will be linked here, and I will have the cards for you to click somewhere here on the sides, and then you can check it out yourself, the announcements and everything else, in case you still have questions after watching this video. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Please like, subscribe if you like what you saw. Leave comments down below. Any questions that you have, any comments or anything that you're feeling about this tax treaty, let me know, because I know a lot of people were pissed. Anyways, to say the least, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Let's pay our tax, y'all. Yeah.